And now go along to the next lift, which is a really nice old Pickering's in C&H fabrics. Now it's squeaky right bus time! Go along to the next car park, and the lifts there have been modernised. And now it's Yuki time! My Yuki bent. My stupid Yuki! And now it's right bus streetlight time. This is the Diva Tunbridge Wells streetlights. These are the wheel forward version of right bus streetlight, and they've been painted into hybrid colours, even though they are not hybrids. Well done, Arriva, for that. These buses are labelled as micro hybrids, which is pretty much meaningless, and Arriva have gone and painted them into hybrid colours just to show off how important they are. Anyway, let's take a ride now. It's in Vivo 400 time! And along go to the Whitcliffe Centre in Croydon. Westfields have taken over this shopping centre and they're planning on redeveloping it. So let's go film the lifts before they all get modernised. Along we go to the first lifts, which are the central lifts in the shopping centre. These lifts were built in the 70s and were modernised by Keith Lee Schindler in the 90s, and they have intelligent levelling. Yes!
Doors closing. Level 3. Doors opening. Doors closing. Level 2. Doors opening. Doors closing. Level 1. Doors opening.